Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 grille. First, gather your tools like screwdrivers and trim removal tools. Make sure your car is completely off and cooled down for safety. It's important to understand how the grille is attached before you begin any work. This preparation will save you time and prevent potential damage. Next, you'll need to gain access to the grille's fasteners. Begin by removing the 3 Torx bolts located at the top of the bumper. Then, carefully pull back the wheel well liners on both sides to expose additional bolts. Finally, get underneath the car to find and remove several more fasteners securing the bottom of the bumper. Take your time with each step. With the bumper partially detached, you can now access the grille itself. Gently pull the bumper forward to reveal the many clips that secure the grille. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully release these clips one by one. Be patient, as there are often many attachment points. Once all clips are free, you can separate the grille from the bumper assembly. With the grille completely removed, take a moment to inspect the area for any remaining hidden fasteners or clips and disconnect any electrical connectors if present. Store your old grille safely if you plan to reuse it or keep it as a spare. Remember to stay hydrated while working on your car. Check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Reassembly is the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and all bolts are tightened properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.